Hi everyone, I'm Anuj. I hope you all are doing well. How are you, ND and CDS aspirants? I hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to discuss the most important military exercise, which is called Vajra Ghat. So Vajra Ghat, which was conducted in Pokhran, Rajasthan. This is a very important topic for you, and questions from it are frequently asked in NDA and CDS examinations. So we will discuss we will discuss it in a very clear and effective manner. As you can see on screen, there is a question, and where was the Indian Army's recent exercise Vajra Ghat conducted? So first you try and to attempt this question, and then I will discuss it. So the question is there, and the answer is A. So students, answer is A. A is the right answer here, because as we know that this exercise was conducted in Rajasthan in Pokhran area. So right answer to A हो गया. But now we are going to elaborate the whole topic thoroughly. So as we know that this exercise is very important exercise Vajra Ghat, and here some information to understand this information also. Conducted Southern Command Indian Army. Location है Pokhran Field Firing Range, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, Thar Desert Sector. Okay, led by the White Tiger Division. The drill was organized to validate, refine tactics, techniques and procedure (TTPs) and improves operational effectiveness in desert warfare conditions. So desert warfare conditions में how army defeat the enemies, these things are elaborate here. So demonstration K9 Vajra, ये बहुत important है. K9 Vajra, what is K9 Vajra? We will discuss further. So प्रॉपर्ली आर्टिलरी गन है, एक प्रकार का सिस्टम है वज्रा, और ये कैसे वर्क करता है आई विल एलेबोरेट. एक्सरसाइज वज्र घाट के बारे में अगर बात करें, सो हाईली इंटेंसिटी मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज है कंडक्टेड बाय द इंडियन आर्मी सदर्न कमांड, स्पेशली द व्हाइट टाइगर डिवीजन एट द पोखरण फील्ड फायरिंग रेंज इन राजस्थान. द एक्सरसाइज फोकस on validating the combat compatibilities, precision and rapid deployment of the K9 Vajra self properly artillery gun है एक प्रकार की, and system in desert conditions. So key aspects क्या हैं इसके, उसको हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So एक्सरसाइज के जो की एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, फोकस एरियाज अगर हम बात करें, द ड्रिल एम्फसाइज इनहांस जो आपकी सर्वाइबिलिटी है, मॉडर्नाइज्ड टैक्टिक्स एंड प्रोसीजर टीटीपीज पर वर्क करेगी. टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन टारगेट एक्विजिशन है. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स इसके क्या हो सकते हैं? द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर गिवन बिलो. द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आर हियर to demonstrate the lethal and long range rapid fire capabilities of the K9 Vajra gun and ensure dominating firepower of the western desert sector. So significant क्या है इसका, उसको देख लेते हैं. सिग्निफिकेंस है, it serves as displays of the operation readiness and deterrence, showcasing the integration of advanced weaponry जो आपका है within the army's artillery wing. So context अभी conduct हुआ है basically for 2026 में. It is highlighted in Indian Army's focus on the maintaining of technology's superiority and high tempo operational. So the most important current affair. So you should remember the things which are most important. Okay, thanks for watching.